Hello, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how the customer orders section works. Right, so if I log myself in, jump onto the sales mode. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a customer order for someone, so something that I need to physically order in for someone, or someone that obviously wants to collect from the store, or deliver to the store, or deliver to the home address, that sort of thing. So what we'll do is first of all we need to select the customer, so let's just select a customer. That person will do perfectly fine. And then what we'll do, we'll put some items in the cart. So we'll go to bread, let's throw some of these items in here like so, and there we have it. So items in there that they wish to order, customer selected, and we'll go to the customer order section here. So let's open this up. So what we need to do, we need to create a new order. So let's create a new order. Then this window does pop up now. So there's a few things you can do within this. Now this is just going to be a quick basic overview really, but there'll be more advanced videos on more technical bits of the actual section later on. But as you can see, customer details are right there. Delivery details can be different as well, just in case. So you can actually go to different delivery address, and then it gives you the option to fill out that one. Or if it's collected in store, what it'll do is default and change it to what your store address is there, so you know the customer's coming in to collect it. Same thing, obviously, if it's to be delivered, you can select if it's been to be delivered, whether it's that one or it's a different delivery address. You can print out delivery notes automatically, or if the customer is paying now immediately, print out a prep ticket, so it's something you might want to print out and then hand to one of your guys around the back or something like that for your warehouse. Or you can even do multi-store orders as well, which is an up-and-coming new feature, which will be in a future video. Now obviously these items are all here as well, so you can actually click which items you might want to order in, because there might be the factors that there might be two there that you want to collect straight away, or you might not want to include those particular ones in the order. There's also, you can obviously see what suppliers as well, because you can actually create a replan order based on this list right now, so you can create a separate replan order for that customer on its own, so when you can order that in separately, you know exactly what who that order's for and what items are in that particular order. But again, I'm going to do a more advanced video later on. So what I'll do, I'll just click on accept here just so I can actually create it. So there we go, and there we have it. So there you go, you've got my order code, I've got the date created, customer name, obviously all the other details here. There's even more columns you can put in here as well, in the actual search and layout section here. So if you click on here and go to edit customized layout, you can add in all these different types of information. You might want to put the staff name in there, know who's done it, obviously the customer number maybe more preferable to you, to the actual name, so you can actually have a play around with that and add more of them in. So I'll close that now for the time being. You can do a lot more searches as well, detailed. Obviously I've only got 2 currently in this particular database, but you can have a good old search of all types of different ways. So if you do a detailed search, you can search via obviously the customer names, or all the orders for a particular customer, or an address or postcode, or when it was due, or date started, whoever did it, customer number, etc. So you can actually go quite lengthy into the actual detailed search of what's actually in your customer orders. You can obviously do quick searches, which are just deliveries only, to be ordered, orders with deposits, or completed orders. So what I can show now, I'll just show what this little ribbon shows you now. So obviously new order, you know that one. Delete order, kind of obvious, it'll delete the order. Pay for the items, obviously if you click on pay for the items, you can pay obviously full for those items, or pay a deposit on those particular items, which will then throw them back into the cart so you can process it as normal. There's also print options here as well, so you can print out obviously standard receipts, which then obviously the customer, you can hand over to the customer comes back with that receipt, you can then scan that receipt and it'll automatically open up this window with the highlighted order. You can also do obviously delivery notes, that type of thing as well, which would be quite handy. Again, we're improving this section continuously, so we're going to be adding more and more features to this, so I'll make sure I get some videos done for that as well. You obviously can complete the order, or you can mark it is or incomplete if it was a mistake. You can update any new prices you might have changed as well within the system. You can pay actually without reducing the stock as well, so that's an option there for you. You can set new items from the cart, or you can replace items in the cart as well. Again, more detailed in a future video. Contact button as well. You can click on that. You can send an SMS to someone, or an email, or even get directions based on the postcode as well. So that's quite kind of handy. The live viewer section here, that's more for like warehouse work, or like takeaways, that sort of type of thing. Also the multi-store section as well, so you might have multiple stores ordering in all types of things, so you might want to see just this store only, or you want to see all the stores' orders all in one area, which could be quite handy if you have a main hub section of the business that deals with all the orders. Down here at the bottom, by default, it shows you the order contents, so it's obviously all the items, etc. in there, what's to be ordered, what's currently on order. You can actually set whether it's, they're on order, depending obviously a replan order is being generated for it. If you select on the items, it gives you a bit more of a breakdown of that item as well, a bit like a stock editor, just a little brief overview of some extra bits of information if required. And if we will go back down this way, so we go to order properties, that's more of a database thing more than anything else. It's more for the support guys if they ever require it. Customer contact, this will tell you when the last time you sent them a text or the last time you sent them an email. You can actually attach documents as well. That's ever required for any particular reason. You can attach actual documents to these orders. Cost and deposits. All deposits are saved here as well and gives you information of how much was paid, who paid it, and in which store as well it was done in. Delivery details, obviously we didn't put any delivery details in, but this is all the information required for any delivery that you can also change as well if required. And all the details will then show you the actual customer's details as well, and who's actually ordered it, any general notes you want to put in there, if you want to change the due date or anything of such, or add in any more notes that might be required for that particular order. So there you go, that's just a little quick overview. Do appreciate it was a bit brief, but I'm going to be doing a lot more videos based on this section and to be able to pull it out, mainly because the fact is that we're building it continuously and putting more and more features in here. So as they get developed, I'm going to be doing more and more videos. So there you go. Do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check us out next time. Thank you.